Good evening from Canary Wharf in London, which I know is an unlikely location to be vlogging about Alton Towers Resort's new for 2023 attraction, the Curse at Alton Manor. I'm Chris from Attraction Source and Towers Times, and today we've kindly been invited by the resort to check out the giant haunted Doll's House pop-up attraction, aiming to celebrate the launch of the new up-and-coming dark ride, the Curse at Alton Manor. Let's head over to Mudshoot Park and Farm, and yes, I've never been there either, to check it out. So as a recap, Alton Towers opened the original haunted house in 1992, which was designed by Two Source Studios, the Sparks Group and legendary entertainer John Wardley. The attraction quickly became a fan favourite at the theme park until 2003, when interactive laser guns were added as part of the reimagining as Jewel. What's exciting about the Curse at Alton Manor is that the creators will use special effects and visuals that have never been seen before at a UK theme park, but will also utilise traditional techniques to see it become more akin with the original haunted house. Hopefully we'll get a taster of that tonight. So we're now in Mudshoot Park and Farm, and it is very dark. See these arrows? We are just following this trail and then seeing what we lead to. It's all a bit mysterious, but I guess all part of the fun. We've made it to the Doll's House, where we are waiting our turn to venture inside. From the outside, there's certainly not much to see other than some spooky props, which are really helping the intrigue. So we're now through. Phyllis from Spark Estates is about to take us to the Doll's House. But in the meantime, we have been given an invitation. Lewis and Emily May are here from the team. So, Emily May, do you want to read out what it is?
Yes, so we've got an invitation here that says, "Thanks for coming to play, I'll see you soon, friend." And then we have a rose that says, "Roses are dead, violets are blue, I want to play and I want to play with you."
As we built it up, it's primarily what they use houses all over there, the agencies. So, as a PR person, and then we build from there, and then we realised that we had it for this site for 2 days.
I'm Phyllis from Sparks Estates, and I'm conducting viewings of this unique property which is on the market on behalf of Alton Towers Resorts, and it's to promote the new ride, the Curse at Alton Manor. Whilst there's no love here tonight, there's no love in the house either, although I trust you'll be given a rose. So there's lots of clues into the house of what's to come. I doubt you'll spot them all. And due to high demand on this very unique property, viewing times are limited to 5 minutes only. So if you'd like to follow me, you'll be able to explore the property and decide for yourself.
So here we are. Welcome to the Curse at Alton Manor, the Doll's House. So Emily May is going to take us through. Lewis has just come out. That bear has just moved and continues to move, which is a bit concerning before we've even gone in. Look at this. This should really give us some hints and tips as to what we're going to expect from the ride. So yeah, open it up, see what's there. Oh my gosh.
Got a couple of dolls and a headless doll.
It's lovely, hey?
In this store,
What is that?
we have photographs, old postcards.
There is Emily herself, I think. And this scratchy old record player.
Yes. I really hate this room.
Oh wow.
And we're going in through the fireplace.
We are going through the fireplace. This does kind of remind me of Terror of the Towers a little bit. Oh my gosh. No one said this was a scare maze. Wow, look at this. That's quite some writing.
Yeah.
Midnight, what could that mean? He really enjoyed that, didn't he?
He did. Very much so. Through to the next room.
What is that serving lid? Just no, just no. Spooky old chandelier. And look at these old portraits. Ah. Why isn't the bear moving now, hey? Thank you so much. So we just had an initial walkthrough of the doll's house, and fascinating. Basically, there's just lots of different props. Very scary things, not so scary things, just lots of Easter eggs, which I believe are big hints to what the actual attraction is going to look like. We can't really work out exactly what it all means at the moment, but I think we're going to document everything and then figure it out over the next few days. But if they can make the ride that immersive, then it's going to be absolutely fantastic, and it will be a fantastic nod to the original haunted house, which I'm most excited for. You know, the dual transformation wasn't ideal. It kind of, yes, it added an interactive element to the ride, but it really kind of removed the charm of, you know, the Sparks Group and John Wardley's original work. You know, so if they can restore kind of some of that enchantment, I guess is the best way I can put it, then I'm really excited. So now the individual run-throughs are complete, we are able to now go inside and take a good look at all of the props and just figure out what this is. So we've now figured out a major clue. Around the structure seems to be numbers. That one there is an 8. Here is an R. As we go inside, there is an M. Coming in here, I mean, there's loads of letters, so you're never really going to know what's here. And over here is an A. So what do all these mean? There's a C. So what do they mean? It means 18th of March. So it looks like the ride will be opening with the main season of Alton Towers, which is fantastic news. Well, there we have it then. So thanks so much for joining us tonight here in London. We hope you're as excited for the curse at Alton Manor as much as we are. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel if you've not done so already, and stay tuned to our social media channels for further coverage of the new attraction as we approach the opening day in the spring. Well, at least we now know it is March the 18th, which is great news. Bye for now.